Hello, this is Qureshi, and I'm a tech consultant providing services to different businesses with their operational problems, specifically with the help of AI automations and custom web application solutions. So, I have spent years building real automations for real businesses, and in that time, I have watched hundreds of people online selling courses, chasing trends, and gatekeeping information behind the paywalls. So that's why I have decided to do the opposite. And I'm going to share everything I know for free. I would be providing technical solutions to real business problems while building my own consultancy in public. What you will not expect from me is providing you fake results or selling you courses and charge for knowledge, or like providing you fake case studies and fabricated results to win clients, or gatekeeping information to protect my competitive advantage something, or optimizing my content for views. I would not be doing that because I think that content creation is like actually for people, to help people, to solve business problems. Specifically, I'm talking about businesses. And if I would be able to solve other people's problem, then the views are actually the byproduct of that. It's like getting the views is not my goal. It will eventually happen. So in my career, I have learned a few things after spending time in the industry, that most business owners believe that hiring more people or buying more software will actually fix their growth problems. But I believe that the real truth is adding people to a broken manual process just gives you more people doing broken manual work. So I believe that the real fix is automations, and it is like actually more accessible than you think. And you can actually build things on your own. And if you do not have time to build things on your own, you can easily find someone else to help you with your. And the automation solutions are like the real facts. It actually gives you the same output, actually the better outputs, and than the manual work, with the fewer hours, with the lower cost, and it actually scales your business. So in this video, I would be just giving you an overview who I am, what was my roadmap, and what was the moments when I realized that I can actually help the businesses and provide services to different businesses to actually earn money and provide services to other businesses as well. So the first moment when I realized that I can actually do something in life, when uh, when I worked on my first ever project. It was with PepsiCo. I built like a whole automation for PepsiCo. So basically, they had a manual process of SKU mapping process, like real people sitting down mapping data by hand every single day, and it used to take like 80 minutes per run with the accuracy of 70%. What I did was I automated the whole procedure with the help of Python, N8N, Gemini's LLM model. It was like the simplest solution I have ever think of, right? And the same task now takes like 2 minutes with the accuracy of 95%. And with the whole procedure, I have learned a lesson that every manual repetitive task in your business can be automated. It's like time is money, and most of the business are actually losing the money without even realizing it. So if you have someone on your team doing the same thing every day, the task is actually costing you money, and it should not be. The next moment was my company's recruitment process. So my company was so the recruitment team in our company was actually reaching out to the candidates manually. Used to take the information, put the information on Notion, a person, an actual person used to review the whole bulk of resumes and used to match with our criteria and then gives the approval, the spreadsheets, the WhatsApp. It was like a mess, like connecting with candidates manually, getting aligned with the interviewers and then notifying them through email. It was actually a manual chaos. So what I did was I spent a few time in the recruitment team and I realized that it is not the optimized way of having a system in place. So I created one single platform which used to take applications from the candidate. There was an AI that used to match or selection criteria with the candidate's profile, automatically approves or rejects the candidates based on the criteria. The candidates used to book the slot on their own, assessments done, the system connects the candidates with the interviewers, done. Then interviewers decision is like automated, or automatically sent out to the candidates like automatically. So the thing is that to what I realized that to scale a business you must automate repetitive work first, and to keep everything on one single platform where you're actually collaborate. It's like you should not have like five tools and that do not even talk to each other. So if your team is like jumping between multiple platforms like WhatsApp, Excel, email, or Notion just to manage one process, you're losing a lot of hours in a single day that will never come back. Another moment was I wanted to have an outbound system, an outbound tool. And there are tools like Apollo, which charges like $60 a month, like 2,500 per month. It's like not a worth it solution at that stage. So I built my own solution, email validation with 95% accuracy, multiple Google accounts connected, bulk email sending out with multiple accounts divided across, so you do not get flagged, campaign management, reply tracking, automated follow-ups, everything was done. And I actually built it because I had the skills and I didn't want to pay someone else for it. So it's like you do not need to pay a lot of money for tools if you have the skill to build your own solution. So what I would say to you is, if you are paying monthly subscriptions for tools that do not even talk to each other properly, there is a chance that a custom web app automated solution would serve you better for just fraction of cost. At the end, I would close the video with a note that what you can expect from me is the content related to automating manual operations and building real business systems for business owners and startup founders. It's like you shouldn't be wasting time, money, and resources on work that machines can do. And I would not be selling you courses, I would not be gatekeeping the information. I will be providing you consultancy and guidance for free always. And what you can expect from me is free knowledge, free education, free consultancy. I only charge when I actually build something for you and I actually deliver something to you. And I believe that I believe that I should be sharing everything with you openly. And if I do not know anything, I will learn that first and then share it with you. Thank you so much. We'll meet you in the next video.